Welcome to the chapter, Use of too much and very much. Let's look at this sentence, he is too much tired. That's wrong. Why is it wrong? Because tired is an adjective, and we should use very before adjectives, so we say he is very tired. Too much is used before nouns, like too much noise or too much sugar. But with describing words, like tired or hungry, we use very. Let's see some more examples. Let's look at more examples of this common mistake. She is too much happy. That's incorrect. Happy is an adjective, so we say, she is very happy. I am too much hungry. Again, wrong. Say, I am very hungry. This is too much difficult. That sounds odd. Better to say, this is very difficult. Remember, use very with describing words, like tired, happy, or difficult. Let's review the rule once more. If you are using a describing word, like tired, thirsty, or difficult, use very, not too much. So instead of 1. He is too much tired, say, he is very tired. 2. I am too much thirsty, say, I am very thirsty. 3. It is too much difficult, say, it is very difficult. Easy, right? Just remember, very goes with adjectives. Great job! Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.